Hello, and welcome back to an adventure beyond the ordinary. As we rejoin this captivating journey, we'll delve even deeper into the uncharted territories of our world and beyond. Prepare to be enthralled, for the mysteries we'll uncover will challenge your perceptions and kindle a newfound wonder for the unknown. In the following minutes, we'll embark on a quest for knowledge that will unveil the extraordinary and unravel the enigmatic. Buckle up, as the mysteries we're about to unravel will leave you in awe of the wonders that lie ahead. Australian stick insects. Australian stick insects are like nature's best impersonators. They don't just look like sticks, they also pretend to be seeds when they're young and act like ants. Only when they grow up, they decide to become either leaves or sticks. You might think it's tough for them to tell each other apart with all these disguises, but they're smart. They use special smells to talk to each other. After these tricky insects find a mate, the lady stick insect lays eggs that drop to the ground. This starts the whole cycle over again. So why are Australian stick insects so good at pretending to be other things? Well, it's because they had to deal with some tough customers. When the dinosaurs vanished 66 million years ago, birds and fierce mammals took over, and the stick insects had to learn how to hide from them. Australia, with its 800 bird species, played a big role in shaping these sneaky insects. Platypuses. The platypus is a truly unique creature, almost like a mix of an otter, a duck, and a lizard with a surprising touch of venom. Back in 1799, when scientists first laid eyes on a preserved platypus, they thought it was a bizarre hoax, like someone had combined a duck's beak with a beaver's body. It seemed too weird to be real, but nature had other plans. This story goes back a whopping 280 million years, when mammal-like reptiles went their own way, splitting from birds and other reptiles. About 80 million years later, egg-laying mammals, including the platypus, took a different path from the rest of the mammals. These animals are like a mix between a lizard and what we typically consider mammals. So why did the platypus turn out this way? Well, it's because of Australia itself and its isolated nature. By the way, do you know which country has the most venomous animals? It's not Australia. Surprisingly, Mexico takes first place with 80 venomous species, followed by Brazil with 79, while Australia has only 66. Are you enjoying this video? If so, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Honeybee. Now let's talk about the honeybee. It might not sound too menacing, but surprisingly, it's at the top of the list when it comes to causing harm. This hard-working insect was introduced to Australia in 1822 and manages to take the lives of 1 or 2 Australians each year on average. Between 2000 and 2013, around 42,000 people ended up in the hospital due to stings, and tragically, some of these cases resulted in fatalities. Surprisingly, bee, wasp, and hornet stings accounted for 31% of these hospitalizations, surpassing Australia's infamous venomous predators like spiders and snakes. What's particularly unusual is that when someone gets bitten by a snake or spider, they naturally head to the hospital for treatment. However, we often underestimate the potential danger of bee stings until it's too late. Australia giant skink. Australia has a history of surprising us with its unique creatures, and one of these surprises is the giant skink. There are about 1,500 different kinds of lizards in the world, and they all belong to the skink family. These lizards are known for their short legs and lack of a typical neck. What's truly astonishing is that the largest skink ever known to us was only recently uncovered. This discovery took place in Australia, a land that was once home to various giant creatures. In the caves of New South Wales, scientists stumbled upon an extraordinarily large skull and jaw that strongly resembled lizard remains. Regular skinks are usually about 4 inches in length and weigh less than 0.1 ounce. However, this newfound skink was a true heavyweight, measuring a whopping 22 inches in length and weighing around 6 pounds. That's roughly 1,000 times larger than its modern descendants. The closest living relative to this extinct giant is the shingleback skink, which is quite sturdy at about 12 inches long. But even this relative pales in comparison to the Chunkosaurus-sized ancient skink. Australia cassowaries. Cassowaries are incredibly fascinating creatures, often compared to dinosaurs due to their ancient lineage dating back around 60 million years. They retain some characteristics shared with dinosaurs, like their 3-toed feet and unique respiratory system. While all birds have descended from dinosaurs, cassowaries seem to have preserved their dinosaur legacy. Scientists are actively studying them, and interestingly, a dinosaur skeleton discovered in southern China bears a striking resemblance to these birds. cassowaries live are estimated to be 180 million years old. They're the oldest surviving rainforests on Earth. As strange as it may sound, these forests owe much of their longevity and vastness to cassowaries. It's simple. The birds eat fruits, some of which are poisonous to other animals, and scatter seeds with their droppings throughout the forest. This happens over a large area, which means that the rainforests have continued to do well for centuries. In conclusion, Australia's unique environment has pushed its ordinary animals to evolve into remarkable creatures. From stick insects that change their appearance to cassowaries reminiscent of ancient dinosaurs. These adaptations are a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of Australia's wildlife. Australia's fauna, with all its quirks and adaptations, continues to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. It reminds us that even in the face of extreme challenges, life finds a way to thrive and amaze us with its endless creativity. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the land down under. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to our channel.